Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra battery capacity has been leaked. What's up guys, welcome to another video. Since the launch of Note 20 Ultra and Galaxy Fold has been done and dusted, new rumors mills has been shifted towards the Galaxy S21 series. About 2 months earlier, Mobile has reported that Samsung is working on 3 different devices from the S21 series, and they are namely Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus and Galaxy S21 Ultra. There are certainly many leaks which are coming for these 3 devices. Even the design of the device is going to be pretty much similar to the older design, and we might see a base variant which is coming with a flat display. But anyhow, these are still early rumors about the design. We can't sure these design images are going to be accurate or not. Moving on towards today's video, well, according to the Galaxy Club website, they have mentioned that the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which has a model number SMG998, has a battery capacity of 4885 mAh of battery, which means that this is going to be coming with a similar kind of a battery capacity which we have seen in the S20 Ultra. Basically, these is going to be supported by 120 Hz of refresh rate, and it is going to be very helpful for such a huge device, because as we know that Ultra devices are coming with a large screen. In the last week, we already know about the battery capacity of Samsung Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. One is coming with a 4000 mAh of battery, whereas the other is coming with 4500 mAh of a battery inside. In terms of processing power, it is already been known that this upcoming latest and greatest Snapdragon 875 chipset is going to be introduced in the US, Korea and China variants of the device, whereas the Exynos 1000 chipset is expected to coming for the rest of the world and Europe. Basically, both of these devices are going to be coming with a 5nm architecture, which is one of the best strategies which these companies are going to be make, because the 5nm architecture of a processor is going to make the battery life of the device even more capable. Also, there are leaks regarding the camera sensor of the device, and we are seeing that it is coming with a 108 megapixel sensor in the device. This is a new sensor which Samsung yesterday has published on their Samsung newsroom, where they have showcased that the 108 megapixel ISOCELL HM2 sensor is going to be introduced, and this sensor has a size of 0.7 micrometer, which means that it is going to be even smaller than the previous generation of 108 megapixel sensor. And as you have seen in the 108 megapixel camera sensor of the previous generations in S20 and Note 20 Ultra, they are a great sensor, but they brings another problem, which is a large camera bump on the backside. Reducing the size of the upcoming ISOCELL 108 megapixel sensor means that the back cameras will have a lower camera bump as well, whereas the other sensor are going to be a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto cameras, and it is coming with a 3x of optical zoom and another telephoto camera with 5x of optical zoom. The front camera is going to be a 40 megapixel of a selfie camera, and it is not yet been confirmed by any leakster that whether we are going to see an under display camera sensor in the upcoming S21 Ultra or not. There is another rumor which is not yet been confirmed, is the support of S Pen in the S21 Ultra right now. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming S21 Ultra? Will Samsung will introduce a 40 megapixel of under display in their devices, or is there any kind of a support for S Pen? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here, do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.